Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Debarati. I make content based on makeup, fashion and lifestyle. Festivals are around the corner, so I thought to create a glam yet simple festive look. But yes, due to this current pandemic situation, festivals will not be carried properly, but we can always glam up to pump up our mood. Okay, I will be starting off with my eyes and use my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer to prime my eyes. You can use any concealer and that should be a few shades lighter than your skin tone. Priming your eyelids is very important if you're playing with bright colors to make your colors more stand out and to show its true colors. And don't forget to take the concealer under your eyes also. And after that, I will set my eyelids with a light skin color eyeshadow. By the way, this is Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the variant Rosé in the Air. And then I'm using this orangish color and using it on my crease with a fluffy brush and blending it away until I'm happy with the intensity. And this is Nicka K eyeshadow palette in the variant Under the Sea. And light-handedly, I will use it all over my eyelids. Do not start off heavy-handedly, use little by little so that you have control over the intensity that you are using. After that, I am using this warm yellow color to blend the orange color further. Remember to be very light-handed and use light strokes. Just be soft with the application. Now I'm using this rusty orange color and deepening up my crease. Hold your brush at the end just to imply you apply the least amount of pressure on the crease. Then using this warm dark orange color with a flat shader brush, I will be applying it all over my lid. Taking a warm chocolatey brown color and applying it only on the outer ends of my lid, forming a V shape. And make sure to blend it with the orange so that it doesn't look harsh. I will also take the dark brown color a little bit on my crease, just a bit to balance out the look. I like to have a sticky base for my glitter eyeshadows as it holds the color and increases the longevity. So I am using a lash glue and taking this green color which has green and golden reflexes, and it's perfect for any occasion. Okay, now I never like to do my eyeliner on camera as I need the mirror very close to my face. To be honest, I'm not that good at eyeliners also. Anywho, I try to show this time. Just make a small baby wing and connect it to inwards. Take your time and try to do it, and try to use small baby strokes. Okay, then I'm taking the NYKAA Rock the Line Kajal and I'm tight lining my upper waterline and also using it on my lower lash line, connecting it to the wing. And then I'm blending the kajal using the same brown shadow. Now this takes time, you guys. You just have to be patient and do it. Using a smudger brush, I am giving it a nice blend. Always try to look upwards while blending your lower lash line. This will help you in blending it properly. Okay, now I am using a nude eye pencil on my waterline to brighten up my face, and this is from Rimmel London. Then I will be using glitter, but firstly, as I said, I like to have a sticky base. Using the same lash glue, I am sketching out a thin line on my crease, only the halfway. And using my Pro Arte P28 angular brush, I will be placing the glitter carefully on the glue line which we have created, and this will have some fallout. This is very normal as we are using loose glitters. That's why I'm doing my eye first today. By the way, this glitter liner idea I got inspired from Kaushal from her channel Kaushal Beauty, but the technique is genuinely mine. I will quickly do the other eye and come back. I'm curling my lashes and using my mascara, and for that I'm using my favorite same L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I applied falsies, and for that I used my Pro Arte in the style 006. Now these eyes need a heavy bold eyebrows, and for that I went with the pomade and I used my L'Oreal eye pomade in the shade Ebony. Now I will blend the pomade with the spoolie. I also used my concealer to clean the edges of the brows. This gives a more well-defined and polished look. By the way, I'm using a small flat concealer brush to do this. This gives a very nice precision. And now I will use the concealer to make my wing sharper. Take a slightest amount of concealer and then drag it below your wing and blend the edges, and that's it. You get a very sharp, crisp wing. Now using a brow mascara, I will set my brows, and for that I'm using the NYKAA Oh My Brows. I did my base off camera and I wanted to show the blush and highlighter. I used the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine and applied it with a large fluffy face brush, and for highlighter I used the OG Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Lastly, for my lips, I used Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Sensationally Me. This is an orangish pinkish color and goes perfectly with the look. And that's it. That's my completed look with a pop of neon green on my inner corners. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And guys, most of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. If you like my content, then please do subscribe it, and trust me, that would mean a lot to me. Until then, goodbye. See you in my next video. And guys, don't forget to wear mask when you go outside. Okay, now bye.